What's going on, traders? Today's video is going to challenge the way you think about what it really takes to become profitable in trading. If you've ever heard someone say it took me 5 years to become a profitable trader, I'm willing to bet you thought that meant they finally cracked some special strategy or mastered technical analysis, but that's not exactly the full picture. Today, I'm going to break down what that actually means, because it's not just about charts, indicators, or trading setups. It's about you. Stick around until the end of the video. I've got a free resource that will support your growth, both as a trader and as a person. And if you enjoy content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. Let's get into it. For those of you that are new here, my name is Shane. I'm a consistently profitable trader specializing in gold and the US 30. I've been trading for 5 years now, and during that time, I've passed multiple prop firm challenges, taken payouts from different firms, and helped others do the same. But I didn't get here just by memorizing candlestick patterns or backtesting strategies. I had to put in the work on myself. So let's break this down. When traders say it took me 5 years to become profitable, here's what most people assume. They assume that they finally found a perfect strategy, they figured out how to read charts like magic, they discovered a system that prints money on autopilot. But here's the truth. Technical analysis is actually the easiest part of trading. With real focus and commitment, you can learn most of the core concepts: price action, support and resistance, Fibonacci, trend lines, indicators, in less than 6 months. So why does it take years for most traders to become consistently profitable? Because the hardest component is you. What those traders really mean is it took them 5 years to master their emotions. It took them 5 years to stop chasing trades out of FOMO. It took them 5 years to build real patience and discipline. It took them 5 years to stick to a plan no matter what. Let me ask you, have you ever over leveraged because you wanted to make back a loss? Have you ever entered a trade when your setup wasn't complete just because you were bored or frustrated? Have you closed a winning trade too early, then watched it run to your original take profit? That is not a lack of technical skills, that's a mindset. Let's talk about some key habits that make a difference over time. Number 1, journaling. Writing down your trades and your emotional state during the trade is one of the most powerful tools in your toolkit. Number 2, reviewing, not just reacting. Every trade, win or lose, should teach you something, but only if you choose to reflect on it. Number 3, health and well-being. Believe it or not, how you treat your body affects your trading. A healthy body supports a calm, focused, healthy mind. Number 4, your discipline outside of trading. If your life is chaos, your sleep, your relationships, your habit, that chaos shows up and seeps into your trading. Number 5, community and environment. Who are you learning from? Who are you surrounded by? If you're the only person in your world who's trading, that can be isolating. Let me be real with you. My turning point wasn't when I learned a new strategy. It was when I finally started working on myself, when I stopped over trading, when I stopped reacting emotionally to every single trade, when I stopped trying to make big money every single day. That's when my trading account and my confidence started to grow. And that's why I always push things like mindset, routine, and personal growth just as much as I talk about the charts. So what should you do? Here's a checklist of things you can start today that don't involve looking at a single chart. Read books on mindset, psychology, and discipline. Here's a few suggestions: The Daily Stoic, Atomic Habits, Trading in the Zone, go to the gym or do something that gets your body moving, or maybe listen to an audio. Start a morning routine that doesn't involve your phone. Get around people who are on the same journey. Get out of your comfort zone, because that's where growth happens. Trading is performance. Just like an athlete trains off the pitch, your growth happens outside of the charts. Now, if you're someone who's serious about growth, not just as a trader, but as a person, I've got something for you. You can join my free VIP Telegram group, where you'll get access to expert trading signals from professional traders, tips and breakdowns to help you improve, and weekly insights from me on trading, mindset, and performance. Now, this group is completely free and it's full of people who are on the same journey, but most importantly, they are banking profits. Click the link below and join us. You'll be supported every step of the way. To wrap this up, mastering a trading strategy isn't easy. Mastering yourself, that's the real journey. So if you're struggling to get consistent results, stop obsessing over the perfect entry and start working on the person pressing the buttons. That's the work that pays off. If this resonated with you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what part of your mindset you're working on right now. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep growing.